Big news coming in on the Gonda train mishap. There seems to be a sabotage angle here, of course yet to be probed, but the loco pilot heard a sound of an explosion before the accident. Railways currently examining possibility of sabotage. Railway sources claiming this could be a deliberate bid, an attempt to derail that train. The locomotive pilot has indicated that he heard a blast even before 6 of his coaches derailed. 4 people have died. Several others are injured. Nearly 20 of them are currently hospitalized, receiving treatment. You have 40-member medical team deployed to aid those in need right now. And while rescue and relief operations currently underway, investigation is being carried out parallelly. Railway sources tell us that they could be examining a possibility of sabotage here because they are yet to ascertain what led to the derailment. There seems to be a lot of speculatory messages coming to fore, one of which is that the loco pilot, who himself claims that he heard an explosion sound before the accident. What does this mean? Is there a deliberate bid to derail that train? And this happened in Uttar Pradesh's Gonda. This is a train that was en route from Chhattisgarh to Birbhanga. And it appears that while en route, 6 of its coaches derailed. The reason for the train to derail is yet to be ascertained. They're not able to detect it right now. To the face of it, the only lead that the railway officials have at the moment is a message from the loco pilot, one of them who says that he heard an explosion sound before the accident. Milind Sharma tracking the story, joining us live for more on that. Milind, a sabotage angle that's surfacing where railway officials indicate that there could be some kind of foul play here. The loco pilot heard an explosion sound. Has he testified himself? Thankfully, both the pilots are safe.
Yes, Nabila. In fact, the latest information we have from the Railway Ministry sources is that the loco pilot, one of them, happened to have heard an explosion sound, before the accident has happened. So that is the latest information that is coming out right now, which means that the Railways is currently examining a possible sabotage angle as well. Because, the way the derailment has happened, both the loco pilots have been found to be safe is what we know. And one of them has testified saying that he heard some explosive kind of a sound. Now, that has been testified, in front of the railway officials. We'll have to wait for more information on this. But certainly, this does raise questions about an angle of sabotage. Remember that the Balasore rail accident that happened, there was a CBI investigation that was mandated on it. And there was a sabotage angle that was being explored at that point in time when the CBI was investigating the case. This particular case right now, it's too preliminary to say what exactly caused this explosive voice.
Milind, but we're of course on India Today assuring our viewers that we're going to be the first to bring you the latest information. Milind is on the story. She's going to be bringing us a lot more. It's a developing story, a lot of it to unfold.